One of the reasons I decided to move back to Chappaqua was it's hard not to beat the community. You know, you were so close to Manhattan, yet we feel like we're in the woods.
Coming back to Chappaqua where there's trees and you're in the woods and there are hiking trails and you can have a yard. That's huge for what I want for our kids.
Schools are unbelievable. I wanted my son to have the same opportunities that I did.
As soon as he started taking me up here when we were dating, I'm like, I could see us up here. This is pretty cool.
I'm Andrew.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we're moving back to my hometown of Chappaqua, New York.
I am a fragrance marketing director.
And I'm a dentist in a family dental practice. And we are currently in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, which sounds amazing on paper. It's not as amazing in practice.
All the heat rises.
Yeah, the
and
heat
we're not
rises.
that high.
And so do the cockroaches.
We won't miss our roommates.
Yeah, no. In a house, I'm looking for something that feels like a home. It needs to have a older charm to it.
I want somewhere where I can have family come and stay with us and create that and, you know, make the cookies and make the ravioli, and yeah, I just want to have that same feel. I would like a spider web. I want a ghost, a cat, seasonal. So Whitney is our very good friend who is also a real estate agent in Chappaqua.
And she also happens to be our real estate agent as well.
Yes.
Andrew and Stephanie are some of my dearest friends. They were actually our first friends when my husband and I moved to Chappaqua before kids. We got set up on a blind date through another friend and we went out to dinner and we just hit it off. The Christmas tree house is absolutely beautiful. Also has an in-ground beautiful pool area. It's 4-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, really large, about 4,000 square feet. So here's your foyer. And then coming right in here, you have your formal living room with a wood-burning fireplace.
Yeah.
More dental molding for the dentist.
Teeth molding, of course.
And just off this room, you have a beautiful built-in library/home office. And then off of this room, you have a bluestone patio with a built-in grill.
I love that grill out there. It's amazing. And you can host so many people. Again, you can entertain outside space, which I think is a must. Could you see yourself having Christmas in this room?
Could I see myself with a Christmas tree window? Yes, I could.
You guys want to go see the kitchen?
Yeah,
All right,
definitely.
let's go check it out.
After you. Wow.
So here you have a beautifully renovated eat-in kitchen, a beautiful center island, which I know is really important to you. You want an area to congregate, sink with windows looking over the backyard.
This is amazing.
And you even have a beverage center. So open right from the kitchen, you can sit at your kitchen island, or if you want, there's a really nice kitchen table right here. And then your open concept to the family room.
Usually I don't like open floor plans. I like traditional kind of styles, but this is really nice.
Let's go check out the master bedroom upstairs.
Okay, great.
This is where your master suite begins. You have a seating area out here. Lots of natural light built into the dormers. Large walk-in closet with built-in layout and a beautiful master bath with a separate soaking tub, a single stall shower.
All that way?
Yeah.
I think I blacked out walking in because there was angels. I might have catcalled. I don't know. Wow, it echoes.
I gotta see.
Can you hear this?
Echo.
Echo.
And there's radiant heating on the bathroom floor.
Wow.
Oh, it's warm. Oh my God, this is amazing.
All right, let me get it. Let me get some of that new floor feel. Wow.
Right? Enjoy. This is incredible.
Yeah, this is really awesome.
I love the Christmas tree house.
Yeah, the Christmas tree house is great.
It gave me a lot to think about because I love this house so much.
The price point for me, I thought might be on the fringe of a little bit too high.
It's a little bit of a stretch. Are we gonna go by the duck pond?
Yeah,
today?
can you, yes we are.
I love the duck pond.
Should probably signal so that people know where I'm going.
That would help.
Yep.
The Blue Door house is A quintessential move-in ready, perfect starter home that I think would be a really great possibility for them. It's walking distance to town. It's 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. It backs up to this beautiful preserve, so you're not gonna have any construction. You really can't see many of your neighbors.
Oh, great.
So you walk right in. To the left, you have a beautifully renovated kitchen.
See, it is brand new.
Oh, thank God.
So you have beautiful brand new white quartz countertops, new
Cool.
appliances, the red oven,
Yes.
which personally I love. And it's an eat-in kitchen, which is really, really nice. And you can watch little John play from the front yard and play in the leaves and with the dog.
Yeah, I'm
Great.
picturing it. I actually could see it. Thank you, Whitney.
Just off the kitchen, you have your deck. And then
great.
this is where your family room is, dining room, all kind of lays out right here, and you have beautiful exposure to the backyard.
Awesome. Wow.
This southern exposure is amazing.
And you can see the backyard just through these windows. It's absolutely amazing. It's wide open. I don't even feel like it's suburbs. I feel like I'm out in the woods.
So here you have your master bedroom with the ensuite bathroom, double exposure windows. It has everything that you need. I mean, the house is 2,000 square feet, so you're not gonna have like a grand master suite.
Right.
But you have your king size bed with your 2 nightstands, which I feel like are pretty much the key elements, a great closet, and the ensuite bath. So another really great feature that I especially love is that you have a full, beautiful walkout basement. But there's a wood-burning
This is
fireplace.
amazing, yeah.
It's a really great, like, true extended living space. So
Yeah.
this could be a playroom, another family room if you wanted upstairs to be a little bit more formal.
Amazing.
Hangout room, great movie room. There you go. So here you have the beautiful backyard from the walkout basement.
So I think for holidays, this is absolutely perfect. I see us
agree, yeah.
making that turkey, like Whitney said, in the oven, and having people stay and gather. And I think it feels warm and cozy and perfect. And put the fireplace on and just have the stockings hanging, I think makes me feel a little nostalgic, and I love it. I think it feels like home. Ooh, you know where we should go for lunch?
You wanna go Quaker?
I do want to go to Quaker
figured.
Hill. Oh, I love it there. It's so good.
Well, you obviously remember it because we go
Well, we go
after every football game.
after every football game, and it's just so good.
Are we doing
We
wings?
win.
It's a real question.
Well, we have to.
Yeah.
But that's what we did the first time it came up.
Should that even be a question?
That's not a question.
Yeah, all right,
Of course we want wings.
Yeah. I just want to go right in there.
Where are you guys looking at houses?
So we're looking on Kip Street. There's a house that also is kind of right off Old Lime. My football team right here, and I'm somewhere in here back when I had a little bit more hair. That was our football team. We made it all the way to the state championship. Unfortunately, we didn't win that game, but it was still really exciting.
Dog Run House is a fantastic house. It's about 4,500 square feet, so it's one of the larger houses that we'll be seeing. It's 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, sits on over 2 acres of property, so really a lot of land.
Wow. The ceilings are really
And
tall.
this view. I mean, trees for days. This
And a
is
big back deck.
Is this wood burning?
This is a wood-burning fireplace, yes, and it's all really open concept. So you walk right in, it's really inviting. You have the high ceilings, you have the living room right off there, you have an office to the side. And this just overlooks right into the family room. So John can be playing, you could be prepping your holiday meals.
Gotta throw that in there.
I know you love your holiday meals.
I do.
I love this kitchen.
And everything looks updated. I mean, the refrigerator is amazing. I feel like we can fit all of us
I think
in there.
I can fit in that.
Yeah,
fridge.
I think all 3 of us.
I think we can all get in, and I think that's
you
gonna
can
have to be.
store a lot of ice cream in there. I think you should be good.
Yes.
Yeah, one of my guilty pleasures, and definitely something I can't admit to as a dentist. But yeah, I have a lot of ice cream.
So really nice entering the master suite. You have all the open. You can see everything from every vantage point throughout the house. And then you have a grand master suite with really high ceilings.
Wow,
upstairs,
it's really
second
big.
floor with ceilings like this is unbelievable.
This is great. I think the only thing that I don't love is just carpeting everywhere. I just kind of like hardwood, but definitely
easy to
something that we
fix.
can fix. Yeah, I
Right.
think so.
So you also have a beautiful ensuite master bathroom with double sink vanity, a soaking tub, a separate shower stall, and you have 2 really large walk-in closets. So this master suite really has everything that you need and more, to be quite
This is
frank.
basically, without the kitchen, our apartment. So there you go. I keep using this word, but it was grand. I mean, that was an entryway.
Yeah.
You made an entrance with that house.
But what was your comment about it when you went in? It's grand.
But it's a lot of house.
Yeah.
It's definitely a lot of house. And so my worries about it is the fact that we have a 1-year-old and a dog, and there's a lot of nooks and crannies for that 1-year-old and stairs. And
How'd you feel about the master suite?
I really loved it because it had the closet space where I don't have to share a closet with you,
Yes.
which is not a fun thing.
No. That was a full day. What did you think?
Thinking about the Christmas house, I think it had a lot of what we were looking for. It checked a lot of boxes. There were certain things that, were a little, not perfect, just like the size of the family room was a bit small, and I'm not always so keen on open spaces.
I think the dog run house was just a little bit too much house and not enough of what I wanted, and I don't think I could have made it at that price point. We can't even afford to make it into what we really want. The Blue Door house was pretty good because it's at the price point that we can leave it if we need to, and there's also at the price point and has the ability for us to modify it if we want.
Right, I think the layout was perfect for us too.
I mean, thinking about all 3 of them, it's going to be a really hard decision to make.
I know, and I'm not really sure where to go right now.
Big news! We got our house, we picked the Blue Door, and we're so excited.
Yep,
It's
John's
official.
excited too. We're moving back to Chappaqua. We're really excited. The house just fit us perfectly. We're getting ready to move back. We couldn't be more happy and excited, and my parents are excited. This is going to be a great new chapter.
Yep, can't wait. First things first is John's first birthday. Yeah!
Yeah, right? Excited?
We can't wait to have all of our friends and family over, a lot of John's friends. And yeah, that kitchen's perfect for hosting it. We can't wait to see everyone and have them celebrate John at our new house.
Yeah.